Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Tempo.
Maddie
Yo, rocked
Peter.
it. Yeah, that's us, and you did so well. It was really good. Because we had you do stuff you kind of knew, but in a new way. So we did Frankie Sixes. Not even going to show it because you know it, but then we had you do it with no triples. Rock, step, boom, boom, rock, step, boom, boom, rock, step, boom, boom, rock, step, boom, boom. And we still had you really travel across the floor. When your foot stops, your body doesn't stop. Then we did it with kick steps, and y'all did that really well. Rock, step, kick, step, kick, step, 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 bam. In the spirit of that, we did jig kicks. They're simple. One thing I said to like every follower is like, stop following this. There's nothing happening. I'm just holding you. So when we did it simpler, it was better. Rock, step, kick, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, kick, step. Then we did swing outs in circles. And we did them with triple steps and just kind of fast. I think the big points we had were leaders trying to get some momentum on that first triple step and trying to get a different momentum on the circle. So the swing out looked like this. Hey! And then here, hey! I actually have some different momentum going. And followers.
Followers, we really talked about continuing our direction, not stopping in the middle and keeping that energy going the whole time.
So, like this. Boom, ha, hey, ha, put it on repeat. Good hustle, everybody. Hoo, ha, hoo, ooh.